How to get rid of black bars in DaVinci Resolve. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove black bars in DaVinci Resolve. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's say you imported a video and it has black bars on the sides or even top and bottom. And these bars are actually baked into the videos. So here to remove them, first go to your project settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here under master settings, simply find the timeline resolution. And here simply change it to match the actual video resolution. For example, if the video is 1920 by 1816, change the resolution to that. And now here simply click save. And now you might still see black bars because DaVinci still consider them as a part of the video. So here to remove them visually, select the clip in the timeline and open the inspector panel. And here simply use the zoom slider to scale in and crop out the black bars manually. And after that, simply reposition the videos if needed by using the position Y or X. And here once you're happy, you can export the video without those black bars. And now just look at the scenario you have added to the video that looks like it has black bars, but in reality they are just appearing in the preview window. And here is what to do. So again, open the project settings and under timeline resolution, match it exactly to your video resolution. And here, once you're done with that, just click on save, and just like that, those black bars in the preview are gone because they were never in the actual video, just result of the mismatch between your video and the timeline resolution. And if you're not sure what the correct resolution of your video is, just right click on the clip in your media pool and select clip attributes, and after that simply check the file properties before importing into DaVinci. This is super helpful because you're working with TikTok or Instagram videos that have non-standard dimensions. And that's it. That's how you can remove black bars in DaVinci Resolve, whether they are baked into the video or just showing up in the preview. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.